God, what are you doing? If I have you no fear, have you seen my beloved? Why have you come back here?
Took the letter like you said. I met her father at the door. He said he will give it. I don't think I can stand anymore.
If I was wrong, I feel that something went up on your hair. If I am hurt, you need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, Mr. Crising. I don't feel any pain. Little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here. That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close, and rain will make the flowers grow.
But you live with the God above. If I could heal your wounds with words of love,
just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
You will live 100 years. If I could show you how, I won't desert you now.
Rain can hurt me now. This rain will wash away what's past, and you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. I'll sleep in your embrace at last. The rain that brings you here is heaven blessed. The skies begin to clear, and I'm at rest. Breath away from where you are. I've come home from so far. Don't you fret, Mr. Crising.
You won't feel any pain. Only the fall of rain can hardly hurt you now. I'm here.
That's all I need to know. And
I
you will
will
keep
stay
me
with
safe,
you till you was
and you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers
bloom.